guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I am trying out a new recipe for a cucumber salad. It looks really delicious. I was really excited for it when I came across it, and I was like, oh, I definitely want to eat this right now. So I thought I'd make it and let you know how it turned out. But I will put all of the ingredients in the recipe down in the description if you want to make your own. It seems more like a party salad for summer. Like, it makes a lot of it in a big bowl, and it's cucumbers and like Greek yogurt and lemon, so kind of like that lighter summer vibe. But I don't know, it looked really good, so I thought I would try it. And yeah, we'll move to the kitchen and get started. All right, guys, so first things first is we are going to chop up 3 medium-sized cucumbers. And if you notice that I actually have a fabulous fast chopping technique like a Food Network star, it's because this video is in double speed. I'm actually going so incredibly slow in real life, but it looks really impressive when it's sped up, and it looks like I'm actually good in the kitchen, so this is awesome. But yeah, basically just chop up all 3 cucumbers. You want the slices basically as uniform as you can get them. The recipe says kind of like paper thin, but you know, just as thin as you can get them. And we will use the magic of editing to be done chopping cucumbers. So next up, you're going to take an onion, and the recipe calls for 1/4 of an onion. So just go ahead and remove the peel and slice it up. You want slices, not little diced up bits. So slice it nice and thin the way you did your cucumber, or maybe even a little bit thinner. And go ahead and lay that on top of the cucumber, and we will get started on the dressing. Go ahead and put your cucumber onion bowl aside. Take a 1/3 cup measuring cup and a little bit of Greek yogurt. I chose the unflavored kind, which I would assume is preferable, but my recipe didn't actually specify that, but I would definitely go unflavored. Anyway, 1/3 of the cup of yogurt into the bowl, and into that you're going to want to chop up a tablespoon of dill. And before I chop mine up, I'm actually going to kind of lay it all out the same direction and chop off the stems. This is just like a personal preference. I don't know why, but I don't really care for the stems. So I'm just separating those out and chopping them off, and I'm only going to be using the leaves, but you can definitely use whatever you want. That's not in the recipe at all. That's just like a personal preference. And then I'm going to gather all the little leaves up and kind of roll them in on each other until I've got like this tight little dill leaf burrito thing, and that makes chopping it so much easier. So I'm just going to chop it one way and then turn it around and chop it another way until it's just very fine little bits of herb shards, I guess, for lack of a better word, and then pop some of that into my soon-to-be salad dressing. And into the Greek yogurt and dill mixture, you're going to want to squeeze the juice in from half a lemon, and then use kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to season it to taste. So just salt and pepper it to taste after you get the lemon in there, and then go ahead and mix it all up until it's no longer watery and becomes like slightly thicker from the yogurt when the yogurt and the lemon juice combine. And then that's it. That's the salad dressing. Take your completed salad dressing and spoon it over your cucumbers and onions, and you're going to mix it up until the cucumbers and onions are thoroughly covered. I'm assuming you all have dressed a salad before, so yeah, you know, same thing, just cover everything up with the salad dressing because that's what makes the vegetables taste yummy. You can tell that I used slightly too small of a bowl for this, and instead of washing it and getting a larger bowl, I just decided to be careful while mixing my vegetables and salad dressing around because, you know, why not? That bothers me less than doing 2 dishes, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Mix, mix, mix until we have a beautifully dressed salad, and then take a very cute small bowl, very important step, and put a little bit of salad in there, you know, just so it's like picture worthy and pretty. And there we have it. Time to taste. Okay, so time for the taste test. It's good. It's really good, actually. It's very light, very cucumbery, obviously, but it's yummy. I could definitely see loving this in summer, kind of in the sun by the pool. But yeah, it's great. I think even in winter, maybe I would want it to be like a little bit heartier, like put in some, you know, feta or maybe garbanzo beans or something like that. But it is a really tasty salad. I do like it. It was easy to make. It took less than 15 minutes start to finish. It's really healthy. There's like almost no calories in it other than the yogurt. So I do like that. It's not super flavorful. It's like a light, mild flavor, and it is quite pleasing. But I don't know. I will definitely make this again because it was easy and it's tasty. But when I do, I will probably add more onion than the recipe called for. It called for about 1/4 of an onion. I'd probably do like half. Just to like get that flavor in there, and then also maybe a little bit more salt and pepper, and then I don't know, it's good. I like things that have like a lot of punch in their flavor, and this is more mild. It is tasty. And definitely try it, and I think honestly if it was like hot outside it would just be perfect, but it's cold outside and I want something with a little bit more substance. So yeah, all in all it was delicious. It turned out really well. It was super easy to make, very friendly for somebody who's following the recipe for the first time, like I was. But yeah, like I said before, I will put the recipe and everything you need to make it down in the description along with my socials. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Consider subscribing, and I will see you here again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.